coming to the special reactions of phenol. Keep in mind KRCPBH. K stands for Kolb's reaction, R is Riemann-Diamond reaction, carbylamine reaction, formation of phenol, then bakelite formation, hydrogenation, aspirin formation, formation of cellulose methyl salicylate. So these are the 9 reactions of the phenol. We'll be having one more reaction, that is Gattermann aldehyde synthesis. So these are the 10 special reactions of the phenol. First of all, we take Kolb's reaction. In Kolb's reaction, what we are doing, we will be taking sodium phenoxide, treating it with carbon dioxide at 410 Kelvin, 4 to 7 atmospheric pressure. Carbon dioxide reacts with sodium phenate, giving you product sodium salicylate. This sodium salicylate treated with dilute HCl, loss of NaCl takes place, and we get salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is very important compound in producing analgesic medicines like anacin, analgin, aspirin. So this is a very important compound. And we have R, that is Riemann-Diamond reaction. We have already studied this reaction. In chloroform, we take phenol molecule, heated with chloroform in the presence of 3NaOH concentrated at 343 Kelvin. CH enters in the benzene ring, will get salicylaldehyde plus 3NaCl, and along with that you get 2 water molecules. We are having 4 oxygen, 2 here, 2 here. Then phenol can also be treated with carbon tetrachloride CCl4. 4 chlorine are there, therefore we use 4 NaOH here at 343 Kelvin. It will give you product salicylic acid. This is salicylic acid. Along with that you will get 4 NaCl and water, 2 water will be obtained. Then we have third reaction, that is called as coupling reaction. C. Coupling reaction, as we know, it is used to prepare dyes. Benzene diazonium chloride, it is treated with phenol. पहला पोजीशन से हाइड्रोजन का लॉस दिखाना है. pH of 9 to 10 here. Loss of HCl, we get para-hydroxy azobenzene as dye. This is called as para-hydroxy azobenzene. It is a orange dye. To prepare dye, temperature should be around about 273 Kelvin. Only then we'll be having stable dye. 273 to 298 Kelvin can be kept. So this is coupling reaction. Then we have fourth reaction, preparation of phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a indicator, acid base indicator इसको कहते हैं. How it is prepared? The 2 phenol molecules, they are treated with phthalic anhydride. This is phthalic anhydride. It is treated with phenol. Para position, hydrogen is eliminated from para position. Concentrated sulfuric acid, water का loss होगा. Product will be this is phenolphthalein indicator. this is our fourth reaction. Then we have preparation of bakelite. Bakelite is a plastic product. It is used in the preparation of combs, cassette covers. It is nowadays also used in preparation of CDs, so and preparation of other plastic articles. So how bakelite is obtained? When phenol is treated with formaldehyde in the presence of sodium hydroxide, concentrated sodium hydroxide is taken here. We get two products here, ortho-hydroxybenzyl alcohol and para-hydroxybenzyl alcohol. When both of these they combine, they produce crossed bakelite. Crossed bakelite has the condensation between both of these molecules, ortho isomer as well as that of para isomer. They both combine in a chain, giving you bakelite. This is crossed bakelite because it has two different varieties of hydroxybenzyl alcohol. They condense to give you crossed bakelite. If you want to get linear bakelite, that can be obtained only from one species. This is ortho-hydroxybenzyl alcohol. Take n units of this, and in the presence of OH, it will be undergoing condensation to give you linear bakelite. OH, CH2, OH, CH2, it will go on. This is our linear bakelite. So bakelite is of two types. We have same cross bakelite as well as your linear bakelite. Both are produced from the phenol formaldehyde resin. It is also called as lateral Mannes reaction. जो bakelite formation है, this reaction is also called as lateral Mannes reaction. So keep in mind, this is also a name reaction. So up to now we have discussed 5 specific reactions of the phenol. Then we have preparation of aspirin, cellulose. Then we have methyl salicylate and preparation of your aldehyde by Gattermann aldehyde reaction. So now first of all we see the hydrogenation of the phenol. Hydrogenation is done in the presence of ranitidine. Ranitidine converts benzene ring into cyclohexane by supplying 3 hydrogen molecules to the benzene ring. So sixth reaction, that is for H, that is hydrogenation of phenol. Phenol is treated with hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, in the presence of catalyst Rann-nickel, finely divided nickel at 475 Kelvin. All 3 bonds they go off, we get cyclohexanol. It is used as solvent in the organic chemistry. It is used as solvent. Then we have the preparation of aspirin. 7th reaction, preparation of aspirin. Aspirin is a component of many analgesic medicines. It is prepared from salicylic acid. Salicylic acid prepared in the first reaction, treated with acetic anhydride. In the presence of drop of concentrated 2-3 drops लेने हैं आपने concentrated sulfuric acid, will be eliminating a molecule of acetic acid from this acetic anhydride and will get this product OCOCH3. This is our aspirin. It is also called as 2-acetoxy benzoic acid or aspirin. It is sold under different trade names, Aspro, Analgin, etc. Then we have the preparation of Salol. Phenol is heated with salicylic acid to get Salol. Salol is a medicine which is used for intestinal trouble and is given to the person suffering from this. In the presence of a drop of H2SO4, you will be getting OCO. This is Salol. Water is lost. It is an intestinal antiseptic medicine. Then we have the preparation of methyl salicylate. It is added to the cosmetics for good fragrance. We have salicylic acid. It is treated with methyl alcohol. In the presence of H2SO4, you will be using water here, and product is OH COOCH3. This is called as methyl salicylate. It is added to cosmetics. Then we have 10th reaction, that is called as Gattermann's aldehyde synthesis. This reaction is similar to Stephan reaction. Here we are taking phenol. Phenol is treated with HCN. In the presence of HCl, this reaction takes place in the presence of SnCl2 and HCl. We get ortho isomer, in this case CH double bond NH dot HCl. It is hydrolyzed with water. Product is salicylaldehyde plus ammonium chloride. This is salicylaldehyde. So this is your Gattermann aldehyde reaction. So this is methyl salicylate is also called as oil of wintergreen, added to cosmetics under this name, oil of wintergreen. So this is all about phenol, and we have the uses of phenol. Phenol is used in the preparation of dyes through coupling reaction. It is used to prepare bakelite, a plastic product which is used to produce many plastic products. In the preparation of medicines, we have seen aspirin, we have seen Salol, they are medicine. It is used in the preparation of cyclohexanol, which is used as a solvent. So these are the uses of phenols and its compound. And we'll be taking the last topic of this unit, that will be ether, that will take in the next lecture. Thank you very much.